Hey guys, today I'm going to be unboxing Modern Warfare 2 Harden Edition. I bought the Prestige Edition, which the box is over there. I'll get it in a second. Bought the Prestige Edition on opening day, but the game broke. And here are the headphones, or night vision goggles, whatever. Anyway, it broke, so I had to go buy me a new one, and I decided to buy the Harden Edition because it was cheaper. So, let me just unbox this real quick. Modern Warfare 2. Once again, it's still backwards. I'm sorry. I'm gonna try and fix that, but I just don't know how right now. But anyway, Modern Warfare 2, Xbox 360, Harden Edition by Activision, Infinity Ward, and Rated M for mature. Here you get a little Modern Warfare 2 again, Xbox 360, Modern Warfare 2 again, Xbox 360, and on the back it shows everything that comes with the game. The Harden Edition case, the art book, the game, and a free token for Call of Duty 1. There's the rating, and then there's some legal information again, and some info about the players and some specs on the game. And there's a quote, I guess, by oneup.com. Stole our hearts all over again. Don't know what that means. Okay, so we'll open up. First, it is the game holding tin. It's not stupid. It's not real plastic. It's good heavy-duty tin. It's really shiny. And on the back, it says, well, it doesn't say anything, but you can kind of see it. It's the White House burning in a cloud of smoke. And on the side, it's Modern Warfare 2. Now, when you open it up, there you go. I'll take the game out. And Modern Warfare 2. That's hard to get out. Okay, and then you'll see here the game, the token for Call of Duty 1. Don't want to show you the code, but it's on the back. I guess there was a printing error or something on these. Yeah, that's what this is. There's a printing error on the number of players. And here's the game in there. Just like how-tos and some information on the game. So here's the disc. And the background is a picture of a big building falling over. Not sure which one it is, but that's what it is. Put all this back in. So that's the actual game. Look at this. It's the little plastic sleeve. It's the art book. But Modern Warfare 2, behind the lines, the art of MW2. And on the back it just says Infinity Ward, and it's some cool pictures and information about how they made the game and designed it. And there's some of the people. It's just a really interesting book, and I think it's really cool. And so yeah, that's that. It's very nice material for a little book, actually. Anyway, put that back in here. So yes, that's Modern Warfare 2, the Xbox 360, and thanks for watching.